Welcome to my channel, guys. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you awesome card trick. See, the card is blank and just moving two cards to the top and the card suddenly appear to be a regular card. I'm gonna show you performance from this street magic magician along with my card on the side. Okay,
what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop them in my hand like this, and this man's gonna tell me to stop anywhere he wants.
Stop.
Can you remember that card?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna show you one more time. 52 regular cards. I haven't asked him what his card was, but tell me, sir, was that your card?
That's my card, Leroy.
Wait a minute, it gets better. Or was it up here? Well, I moved it on you while you wasn't looking.
That's my card.
What if I move it? I could move it over there.
That's my card,
what if I move it there?
That's still my card.
Well, what if I put it on top? But no, wait a minute. Here's the finale of the trick. If you like card tricks, because he stopped me on that card, I want you to look what this man just did to my whole deck. Look what this man just did to my whole deck. I might as well throw him in the damn garbage, because I ain't got the regular cards. Unless somebody else says, hey Leroy, show me that again. I'll have to start out with a regular deck of cards. Well, there they are.
I'll be damned.
Or I can go just like this. Right there it is. Right there it is. Right there it is. That's magic at its finest.
That's magic, Leroy.
That is finest.
That's magic.
That's at its
That's
finest.
magic, Leroy.
Alright guys, now you see the performance. I'm gonna show you what is this card or the deck of card look like. So this card is a special deck of card. It's called Spali deck. Okay, the one that I have it is a small card and I purchased. The surface is not really smooth. The material is kind of a little bit fluffy and not really smooth, but I like the performance that you can do with this card. First, you show it the card that blank. You find it the card in the opposite way. Okay, but just not to appear too much so you can reveal the other card. Then in this you can see if you move that way the card look like a regular one, but if you move this way the card change to be a number, in this case 9 of heart. Okay, so you can do that way or the one that I show you before. And before we continue, just remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share. So this is called Spali deck. Okay, there's a lot of trick you can do. Just purchase this card. As you can see, all of them just like regular card. You can make it by yourself, but I think it's gonna be a little bit challenge. And then this is one of the deck that I have it. As you can see, look like regular playing card, right? But I want to show you another one that I have it. This one I special order for the Blaine playing card. In my opinion, for the function, the small card I like more better. Okay, because this is called a gimmick card, guys. Gimmick. So they have extra another 9 of heart extra card. Okay, inside the deck, and then they also have one unique card. You can see over here 4.5. I think you can do some performance with that card, and also one card that show it all the deck 52 card. You can do a lot of trick. The manual gonna show you how you perform it. Okay, I think this is worth it to invest. It's not too expensive. I don't know how much is that right now. If I have in the future the link where you can buy, I can put it in the comment section. And this is playing card, something Spali deck card, but this is Blaine one. They come out in a red color deck, but they give you one extra blue card. Okay, for this one the card more smoother, more like regular size of playing card, bicycle playing card. See, for this deck is, you can see, is come out to be 7 of clubs, spades. Okay, spade. Okay, easy to find it, look more real. Okay, so yeah guys, thank you. This is my review, and remember to subscribe my channel and show your support, like give a like, thumbs up, comment or anything. Okay, see you in my next video. You can see over here. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Have a wonderful evening for you guys. Bye.